In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a deposit with credit card fees in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever received a customer payment and noticed that the amount deposited into your bank account is slightly less than expected because of processing fees, this is the correct way to handle it in QuickBooks Online. The goal is to make sure your deposit matches what actually hit your bank, while also accounting for the credit card fee properly. This helps keep your records accurate and makes bank reconciliation much easier later on. To get started, go to the top left corner of QuickBooks Online and click the plus icon. This is the main shortcut menu where you can quickly create new transactions. From here, you'll want to select Bank Deposit. That will open the deposit screen where you can combine incoming funds and make adjustments before saving the transaction. Once you're on the bank deposit page, look for the section where you can add the funds to the deposit. Choose the payment or payments that should be included in this deposit, just as you normally would. At this point, you're recording the gross amount that was originally paid. Next, you'll also need to account for the credit card processing fee. To do that, add the credit card fee as part of the deposit, but enter it as a negative amount. This is the key part of the process. By entering the fee as a negative number, QuickBooks will subtract it from the total deposit, which allows the final deposit amount to match the actual net amount that reached your bank account. This method is useful because it keeps both parts of the transaction visible. You still show the full payment that came in, but you also clearly show the fee that was taken out before the money was deposited. That gives you a cleaner and more accurate financial picture. Before you save, take a quick moment to review the total deposit amount at the bottom of the screen. Make sure it matches the amount that appears in your bank feed or on your bank statement. If it matches, you're in good shape. Now click Save and that's it. Your deposit is recorded correctly, including the credit card fee adjustment. This is a simple process, but it can save you a lot of confusion when reviewing income and reconciling accounts. Once you get used to entering the fee as a negative line on the bank deposit, it becomes a quick and reliable habit in QuickBooks Online.